less than an hour, that's worth $12,000 to you. And we've just proven that here. This is something you
Totally.
can do with AI that's going to get you paid $260 per pop. Takes you seconds to do. Now it might take her 3 hours. I don't know. Takes you seconds. $11,960 of verified proof that you can do with copying and pasting with AI. Check it out.
Yeah, we're talking about a very interesting way to make some money with AI, and it's really actually very simple. I think anybody can do this. And so here's what we want to share with you today. This is a website called People Per Hour. It's basically a website where people post projects and people do projects for people. It's like a freelancing website. And as you can see, you've got all kinds of different categories: technology, writing, design, digital marketing, etc. Right? So in a way, it's kind of like Fiverr in the sense that you can post a gig. Well, we found this gig here in writing and translation, and this person, Jane, will write website content for 5 pages. And she'll write that website content for 5 pages for $260. So what you get with this offer, if you're looking for great web copy, look no further. Basically, she's saying, I will compose up to 5 pages of copy, up to 2,500 words for your website, which will get your business message across clearly, effectively, and in an interesting way.
Well, there's so many different things here. Number one, we talk about Fiverr. Fiverr is a great place, and it used to be that you could do things for $5, but now it's much more than that. But just the simple notion here, which is a big one, that you can go on different sites, and just because you have a listing on a different site, it's somehow you can charge more. So this person could be on Fiverr, and maybe this goes for $40 in Fiverr, but because this person's on People Per Hour, she's charging $260 for these 5 pages here. Now, if we look on the screen, it's a little hard to see, but it shows there's been 10,000 views to this page from People Per Hour, so there's getting traffic, free traffic here, but the sales were 46 verified sales. So if we take 46 times 260, that's $11,960. So this person has made $11,960 doing this. But I'm having a hunch here, Dave, that more than likely this person is not using AI. If we just go by the numbers and where we are with the premise of this, Jane here is probably not using AI. So guess what? 2,500 words is nothing in terms of ChatGPT.
That's 500 words per web page, right? Because she's offering 5 web pages.
Exactly. So I don't know anything about Jane, but if I wanted copywriting done and you're up there, maybe you offer it for $250 either way, or maybe more. Try it out. Make different listings. You don't just have to do this. This is one example of many different things that can be done. But the bottom line is you could make 5 pages of copy by putting in a couple keywords. Hey, what's it about? She probably has a form there that just says, well, tell me about your website. Show me your website.
Yep.
You can go in there, copy the stuff that's already on the website or the information the person gives you, and tell ChatGPT to basically make some amazing copy, and it will. And this is subjective. If I'm buying copy from this person, I don't know if her copy's any good, but I know ChatGPT's copy is good. So there's $260. Takes you literally 1 minute, and I'm being, it's probably more like 20 seconds, but 1 minute to make $260. And she's done this over and over again. So can you take 46 times 1 minute? So in less than an hour of your actual time, other than obviously just, hey, what do you want me to do on your website? But honestly, less than an hour, that's worth $12,000 to you. And we've just proven that here. This is something you can do with AI that's going to get you paid $260 per pop. Takes you seconds to do. Now it might take her 3 hours. I don't know, but it takes you seconds.
Right. And it's amazing how when somebody's buying copy, they're buying for somebody else to write for them. The reason they're buying that is they realize they're not a good writer, or they realize they're not a good speller. They don't know how to use grammar, punctuation, whatever, right? They understand that they're not the professional. Well, guess what? ChatGPT is the professional. It's like having a super brain working for you. And you could just type it in and get these results and deliver them really, really fast. Like James said, you could charge more for it. You could charge less for it. If you want to undercut the competition, doesn't matter, right? It only took you minutes to do it. It's super quick and easy, right? And the other thing I like about what you said, James, is there are so many niches just in the writing space alone and just on this one website. Like we teach Fiverr as well. Like we have a whole course that goes into this on Fiverr. We'll have a link to that in the description below, but it's the same exact idea. What you do is you go find the products, or in this case, the gigs that are super popular, and you just emulate them. You model your gig after their popular gig, provide that on a site like PeoplePerHour, Fiverr, Upwork. They're all the same kind of thing. And then just use ChatGPT to create the articles and do that.
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of mind-boggling when we talk about these things where sometimes people watch this and they just like it's almost hard to believe. It's like, are you telling me a couple minutes of my time could be worth $12,000? It's such a big jump for a lot of people that might be making 20 bucks an hour or whatever they're making, but it's real. You just have to do it. And like Dave said, we have a specific course that focuses on Fiverr, but it can also be extrapolated for all these other different sites that really goes deep into the point and click and what you need to do this. So check out that course below and open your mind to the fact that this is real and this can be done. And so it's exciting times that we're in. And this is just another great strategy that we're bringing to you with making money with AI.
If you like these kind of strategies, we really break them down a whole bunch of there's such a world of opportunity here. That's why James and I are doing this. We want to share this with everybody, right? If you like this kind of stuff, be sure to subscribe to our free AI newsletter. Not only will you get the latest, newest, in-depth stuff, as well as our new videos that come out, but we're also going to enter you into a drawing to win a $200 free hotel stay. So we're trying to bribe you here to get involved, get into the AI newsletter, because that's where you're going to get all the good stuff. We'll see you next time on Making Money with AI.